watching this, chances are you're a busy person looking for ways to streamline your content creation. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple and detailed explanation of how to automate your YouTube and TikTok channels. By the end of this video, you'll understand the step-by-step process to create powerful videos that can attract millions of views. This channel creates videos about daily inspirational quotes and stories. And if you check the data on Social Blade, you'll see it's making over $13K in monthly earnings. So let's dive into how you can create these types of videos too. I'll show you two methods. One is manual, and the other is automated. Watch the full video to unlock the secrets to success and discover how you can start your own journey to earning big with inspirational content. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. First, we need a good script. You can ask ChatGPT to write a 60-second short story about love, wealth, luck, life lessons, and motivation. But what if you are new and don't know how to write a powerful and viral script? Don't worry, I am sharing a secret method to get a viral script without doing anything. Just copy the URL of a viral video. Open dubdub.com, then click on AI transcription, and then click on YouTube. Paste the video link here. Next, select the video language and click on the transcribe button. In a few seconds, this will extract the script from the viral video. Why are we doing this? Because this is already a proven and working script. So, click on the copy text button and copy the script. Now go back to ChatGPT, paste the script, and ask ChatGPT to rewrite this script. After rewriting the script into paragraphs, ask ChatGPT to write image prompts for each scene. This will help us with image generation. Next, copy this script and move to 11 Labs. Paste it and generate the voiceover file. You can use any text-to-speech tool for this, but in my opinion, 11 Labs is the best.
One day, a woman noticed three men standing outside her house and approached them, asking if they were hungry and if they would like to come inside.
After generating the voiceover, download it. Next, copy the image prompts from ChatGPT for image generation. We will use Decohere AI and Leonardo AI for this, but you can use any other paid or free tool that can generate good results. First, log into both sites. In Decohere, choose the shorts image ratio and paste the prompt. Keep selecting the next image, and Decohere will automatically generate images. Click on the plus button to add them to your library, then download them. Next, move to Leonardo AI. Open any image style, then click on the Remix button. Paste your prompt and click on the Generate button. If you don't like the results, change the image model. For example, you can use the 3D animation style. For this type of video, I think the cartoon style is good, so I am fast-forwarding this step to save us more time. After generating all the images, it's time for video editing. Open any video editor like Filmora, CapCut, or another of your choice, and import all your data. Start by dragging the audio onto the timeline, then add the images according to your story scenes. Adjusting the length of the images to match the audio. Apply transitions between the images to ensure a smooth flow. Next, select the first image. Go to the animation section, choose the combo option, and apply animation to all the images on the timeline to add dynamic movement. Optionally, you can apply additional effects to enhance your video further. Click on captions and generate them, applying any caption template that suits your video. Add background music. making sure to use music from the YouTube library if you're uploading to YouTube, or CapCut music if you're using TikTok. Finally, export your video. And there you have it, a demo of our first method.
One day, a woman noticed three men standing outside her house and approached them, asking if they were hungry and if they would like to come inside. The men replied, "Is your husband home?" When she told them he wasn't, they said they couldn't enter. That evening, she told her husband about the men, and he instructed her to invite them in now that he was home. When she did, the men...
For the second method, copy the rewritten script and open shortmake.com. I've already created a detailed video on how to use the ShortMake AI tool, and I'll share all the links in this video description. First, click on Create Video and paste the rewritten script. Customize the script style and choose a story style, such as motivation or story time. Scroll down to select the video language, then generate the script. Next, select background music and choose an AI voice. Decide on the type of images you want to generate, like realistic ones, and then click on the Close button. Finally, click on the Generate Video button and wait for the rendering results. This method leverages AI to efficiently create a cohesive and engaging video from your script. After rendering the video, you can download it, but you'll need to customize it before downloading. Go to the subtitle section and choose any template, or click on Edit Your Subtitle if you find any mistakes. Next, click on Edit Image, where you can change any AI-generated images according to your video scene requirements. Then, click on Advanced and choose a different video overlay. After adjusting all these settings, click on the Export and Download buttons. And there you have it, a demo of the second method.
One day, a woman saw three men in front of her house and asked them, "Are you hungry? Do you want to come in?" They replied, "Is your husband home?" When she said, "He's not back yet," they responded, "Then we cannot come in." In the evening, her husband returned home and she told him the story. The husband said, "Go and tell them I am here, invite them in." She did so, but the men replied, "We cannot come in together." When she asked why, the first man said, "I am wealth." The second said, "I am luck." And the third said, "I am love. Go back to your husband and ask him which one he wants to invite." She did as they asked. The husband said, "Let's invite wealth." The woman said, "Let's invite luck." However, their young son said, "Let's invite love, then our house."
Thanks for watching. Which method did you find the best? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials on creating amazing videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.